This is
Too big.
what is arguably the world's most expensive oil cooler. Hey? Okay, so this is the VM diesel, also known as the 3-litre diesel in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. I believe they're in the Ram 1500s as well. This is one of 4 that are currently undergoing a full rebuild with us. The price for this is around the $22,000 drive away, so that's the motor and obviously all the labour and the bits to install it. So there's been a little bit of a ruckus on the social media channels, people going, oh, but you can buy a brand new genuine from Jeep for 26. Yes, you can, but when you buy it genuine from Jeep for 26, all you get is this. It's not installed, it's not the old one out, and I'm going to quickly do this little partial unboxing of some but not all of the parts that you get for your 22 grand as well when you do it through us. So the first thing, which isn't here yet, is water pump. So you get a new water pump, and obviously the hose in the valley. We do the 3 hose package while it's here. You get the world's most expensive oil cooler, genuine. So you get a brand new diesel oil cooler. What else? You get the EGR cooler hose, which is this stupid hose. We should say this part number because the parts guys keep getting confused every time we try and order this. But you can see it's not a generic hose, it's a specific hose with 2 different diameters. So you can't just use a generic hose there. All your water pump seals, all your injector O-rings for when you're putting your injectors in, EGR O-rings. We're putting on these the revised thermostat, which we have done several videos on, which is the Dayco part. So this is the one that opens at high 80s. We're talking degrees Celsius here. Not the genuine Jeep one, because we know that they run hotter. And this is also very expensive and you can't get it anywhere but Jeep. Oh, you can buy these from Dorman, I think, but they're rubbish. We've had them fail and cause vehicles to overheat, so we've gone back to just using genuine. But that's the little bypass pipe on the front of the water pump. And I think that's about it.
What's it look like?
What does what look like? Doesn't look like anything. And this enormous box. Look how, this is hilarious. Jeep, look how big the box is. What do you reckon's in here?
Now I have no idea.
3 tiny little seals for the back of the water pump. Always comes in this enormous box. It makes no sense to me. Why? Very good. So for 22 grand, that's what you get. Obviously you get it out and the new one in, and new oil and coolant and all of the above. And yeah, we've currently got 4 on the go. And this is one of them.